Hi, this is Dr. S. Welcome to video 3 of my introduction to aromatic chemistry for OCR A-level year 13. At the end of video 2, I asked you to recap what we meant by the words aliphatic, alicyclic and aromatic. So now I'm going to ask you to use what you've recapped to determine whether each of these 9 structures in front of you are alicyclic, aliphatic or aromatic. So can you please pause the video and have a go at that and come back when you're ready. Okay, thank you. Right, so let's go through each one just to remind you what we meant. Aliphatic is the general term we would use for any hydrocarbon that is not aromatic. I'll have to explain what aromatic means. Aromatic is a particular type of compound that contains a system that looks like this. Now from year 12 you might have seen this, but it will not have been explained to you. That's what this topic is about. So something like this would be your regular aliphatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic hydrocarbons can also be alicyclic. If they have a ring of carbon atoms, then they would then be alicyclic. So if this one here is aliphatic, this one with the ring here is alicyclic. But it also means it is also aliphatic. It's aliphatic and alicyclic. So you need to remember to say both of those things if you're to be asked that in an exam. This next one, again, is an aliphatic alicyclic. There's a ring of carbons here, but there's nothing that looks like this. So that is also aliphatic alicyclic. I'll circle it in the same colour. Okay, if we look at this one, I've already mentioned this one. This is your example of an aromatic ring. So called because it does have a smell and aroma. This example here is aliphatic. It is just a regular carbon and hydrogen chain, no rings, so that would be orange, like my aliphatic one there. This one here does have these areas here that appear to be aliphatic, but this takes precedence. This is the aromatic ring, so that would be aromatic. These 3 examples at the bottom are ones that we came up with in the last video for possible structures that would have the formula C6H6. And you should be able to see that these 2 here are aliphatic. They don't have any rings, so they must just be pure aliphatic compounds. This one, however, seems to be aliphatic and have a ring in it as well. So what it appears to be is an aliphatic alicyclic. But this is where the confusion comes in now. What my next video will do is introduce the similarities between this structure here and this structure here. So before you have a look at the next video, can you do a bit of pre-reading about benzene? These are both actually representations of the compound benzene. And the next video will explain what the differences are between the 2 models and which one seems to be more accurate, and the scientific process that came about trying to work that out in the 1800s and beyond. Okay, so please have a bit of pre-reading on benzene and its structure before the next video. I'll see you then.